feel phenomenal as usual. Pharmaceuticals, glue stick, and pools of vomit at bottle. But I don't know if I'm in Tennessee, Chicago, or Houston. In the corner trying to seek solitude. Shallow but such a hollow dude, I won't even swallow solid food. Alcoholic too, plus I'm on lean like the Tower of Pizza. Top it off, I'm on mushrooms, so fuck all of you. Roses are violet, Molly's are blue, lost in a ball of confusion. It's all an illusion, it's probably the shrooms I'm on, cause I think I started hallucinating. Cause I just thought I heard Jay Electronica and I just knew shit. And all I could do was follow the music and end up with Paula Abdul at Lollapalooza, filling water balloons with nail polish remover. Just to pop them and wallow in fumes, I feel uptight, I gotta get looser. After I finish polishing off this bottle of booze, I got a solution. Concentrated like orange juice, so I'm not as deluded. Cause all this delusion got me seeing shit. Excuse them while, but that hoochie did pass. Juicier ass, wouldn't make her my main squeeze, but juicier ass, it belongs in a juicer. It's mouth watering too, so I walked over to it like I'm Marshall. Wanna try to meet my standards? I'll introduce you. Oh, I'm a misogynist too, but I'm not a masseuse. But my attitude's rubbing off on the youth. Chronic abuser. And I don't mean user of marijuana, I mean verbal assault that I use to smoke all of you losers. Got a bazooka, a shotgun, a Ruger, a Glock, and a nuke, and a rock while the two, and I'm not in the mood. So when I say I'm bringing the tech out, I'm not coming to repair your fucking electronic computers. God, I'm gonna puke, I'm so gone off the hookah. I think I swallowed a loser. I'm torn up, demolished the fucking stone like Oliver. Like I look Medusa, and I eyeball the seducer. The thoughts I produce are Looney Tunes. The box of reusable latex gloves and the socks and the shoes to replace next up Veronica's boobs and the paycheck stubs that was stuffed in the glove box of the blue Honda with used condoms with cruise stuff. Girl was just not the one suitable for it will change. Collapse and crumble, perhaps relapsing under that. Well, that's a bunch of crap in the clutch. I'm the captain cruncher rap, and I'm sick of acting humble. That's enough of that. Fuck that shit, cut the sack like it's a natural reaction. That's why I'm actually trapped in a shoving match. Cause push keeps coming to that. I can keep getting my ass kicked and coming back like a sarcastic crumbled sack of shit. Still mad, disgruntled, had some struggles, yeah, but that passion and hunger's back. A fantastic juggling act, and the way I flip my tongue on the track, it's like verbal acrobatics. But in fact, last time I tried to pull off a dramatic stunt as drastic, I fucking crashed my hovercraft after I strapped a duffel bag to my back and stuffed a massive punching bag in it, an elastic bungee strap, rubber plaster, a thumbtack, and a piece of plastic bubble wrap. Went spastic and fucking snapped, jumped and splashed in a puddle of battery acid, stumbled back, recovered backflipped and landed on a gymnastic tumble mat. And for my last trick, lunge on back laps on a NASA shuttle flap, fucking snap the rudder in half, chuckle and laugh. Utter my last rebuttal and just as him to come crash, and I grab my go-go gadget, inflatable, gigantic, humongous mattress, a ceramic construction hat, rub my magic mushroom tap, reluctant splat, get up from that, face tape to a waste paper basket, throw up then gas, lungs collapse, and that's more likely than finding someone next. It will change. Shots of Jaeger, public intoxication.